I'd been sick all week, throwing up pillows and sheets. Sleep could get to me. After I emptied out the bed, touched up the trash, sorted the magazines, took a mattress flame to light a fire inside this dead wasp nest. Served its sentence under Motel arrest. Well, no one was present. Translucent wings were cheap. Everyone's saving up for feathers, plastic interior, to get inside. I didn't need a thing. Scrape my way out with a stolen diamond ring. And I'm learning to whisper about, so I don't have to scream. What good